Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the runtime and placing your API key and recipes in the project folder. This prevents permission errors later. Once done, run Baker init with your key to create the default config and sample pipeline. Make sure to open config. IML immediately. Set data paths and concurrency limits to match your machine. The reason you initialize now is to generate templates so you can test quickly. After init, you'll be ready to connect sources and run a first dry run. Now configure the processing pipelines so the bot understands your recipes. You map fields from raw input to Baker's schema and add transform steps to normalize units and times. Once mapping is stable, add validation rules to catch missing ingredients or impossible temperatures. Make sure to enable caching and set concurrency according to CPU cores to speed up batch runs. You'll want logging at info level for the first runs so you can inspect parsing decisions and adjust Finish by running a dry validation to confirm parsed recipes match expectations. You then deploy when outputs are clean and watch logs for runtime errors. If the bot misparses a measurement or step, adjust the transform rules and rerun the dry job. This iterative fix prevents bad data reaching users. Make sure you monitor memory and error rates after deploy. If a job stalls, clear the cache and rerun, because stale cached artifacts are a common cause of silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.